Hello friends, from today we are starting the last 6 magical practices which will take you to a new level where you will be able to solve your problems, come out of the negative situations or circumstances which you encounter in your daily life. You will be able to help other people solve their problems also. Today, day 23 of the magical practices, the magical air that you breathe. Suppose if someone might have told you some years back that you have to be grateful for the air that you breathe, you must have thought this person has gone crazy. Because what is there to be grateful about? There is air everywhere. Why should I be grateful for it? But we have to ponder on this. It is not by accident that the atmosphere is filled with air on this planet Earth, and there is no air outside the Earth. It is not by accident that the trees give out oxygen so that the atmosphere is balanced. It is not by accident that the solar system is placed so perfectly that any variation could have caused a disaster. All the parameters and the ratios are kept in such a perfect balance that we have been able to live on this planet Earth without any difficulty of breathing. When you think about this, breathing air is not by accident or a fluke of nature. It is felt that the enormousness of what had to take place in the universe so that you can breathe air freely is what will make you grateful for the breath which you are taking in. And every time when you breathe in, you will feel a sense of gratitude. So today we have to be conscious about breathing air freely. We have to take 5 breaths in and feel the air moving inside the body and the joy of breathing it out smoothly and easily. During the day, we have to do 5 sets of breathing in and out, and after we complete each set, we have to say the magical words, "Thank you for the magical air that I can breathe." So, today we have learned that breathing air is also a magical thing which is given to us. It is a precious gift to keep us alive. Else, without the magical air, we would have just lasted for a few minutes. There would not have been any life on earth. So, we have to feel as grateful while taking the breath in and feel joyful while breathing out. And remember the day 1 practice, count your blessings and feel grateful for those blessings. After each sentence, you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful as you can for those blessings which you have received in your life. Before you go to sleep, you can either take the magic rock in your hand or just close your fingers and say the magical words thank you for the best thing that has happened today. For being a calm audience, thank you, thank you, thank you.